Alrighty, hey buddy, Richard here, as obvious. I don't know why I keep saying that, but you know, whatever. I'll get a hang out of it. Right now we just got to the Rotary Park, as you can probably tell. We're doing some jet ski stuff. Unfortunately, Ashley could not get on the water because she can't get wet before work, which sucks. But it's whatever. We'll have a fun time tomorrow, which is gonna be awesome. Which you guys will stay tuned for that too. So I'm gonna go back to the river. I just went back to the car to get a new battery. I'm gonna go back to the river right now and have some more fun. Watch Jade have fun on the jet ski.
End of our video. Hope you guys enjoyed it today, and yeah, so if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to us. Yeah, and we'll see y'all later. Have fun. Bye.